Looking for convenient disposable aluminum pans for baking, meal prep, parties, catering, or storing leftovers? Today, we're counting down 5 great foil pan options to help you find the right size, durability, and value for your kitchen. Let's get started. Number 1. Stock your home 9x13 disposable foil pans, 30-pack. And at number 1, we have the Stock Your Home 9x13 disposable foil pans. This 30-pack offers versatile half-size deep trays for baking, roasting, grilling, food prep, serving, and storing leftovers. Made from aluminum foil, these pans are oven and freezer safe, recyclable, and designed for quick, hassle-free cleanup. Pros: great value with 30 pans, versatile 9x13 size, deep design, and convenient disposable cleanup. Cons: lids are not included, and lightweight foil pans may need careful handling when carrying heavy food. Number 2. Nicole Home Collection Extra Heavy Duty 9x13 Pans, 30-pack. Our number 2 pick is the Nicole Home Collection 9x13 Extra Heavy Duty Aluminum Pans. These deep half-size pans are made for baking, roasting, reheating, catering, and serving. The reinforced walls and strong heat conductivity help support more demanding kitchen jobs, from lasagna and casseroles to cakes and party-sized dishes. Pros: extra heavy-duty construction, excellent versatility, freezer-safe, and suitable for steam tables. Cons: no lids are included, and the larger size may be unnecessary for small meals. An excellent choice for bigger dishes, parties, catering, and serious batch cooking. Number 3. Findful 8x8 Aluminum Pans with Clear Lids, 35-pack. Coming in at number 3 is the Findful 35-pack aluminum pans with clear plastic lids. You get 35 square foil pans and 35 matching clear lids, making this a practical option for meal prep, takeout, parties, and storing leftovers. The reinforced aluminum walls add durability, while the clear lids make it easy to identify what's inside. Pros: generous 35-pack, includes clear lids, stackable, and versatile. Cons: the pans are shallower at 1.5 inches, so they may not suit larger casseroles. Perfect for meal prep and food storage when visibility and quantity matter. Number 4. Azart 8x8 Heavy-Duty Aluminum Pans, 20-pack. At number 4, we have the Azart Heavy-Duty 8x8 Aluminum Pans. These disposable pans are designed with a sturdy construction and deep sides for baking, reheating, meal prep, and storing leftovers. They're oven and freezer safe, and the compact size can also work well for smaller cooking tasks. Pros: heavy-duty design, versatile, deep sides, and budget-friendly. Cons: this version does not include lids, and the actual cooking surface is smaller than the rim measurement. A solid pick for anyone looking for affordable, sturdy square pans. Number 5. Stock Your Home 8x8 Foil Pans with Lids, 20-pack. First up is the Stock Your Home 8x8 Foil Pans with Lids. This pack includes 20 square aluminum pans with matching lids, making them especially useful for baking, storing, meal prepping, and transporting food. The 2-inch high sides help reduce spills, while the aluminum construction offers good heat conductivity for brownies, cakes, casseroles, and more. Pros: includes lids, versatile, freezer-safe, and easy to transport. Cons: the pack costs more per pan than some lid-free options. A great choice if you want convenient pans with covers for food storage and transport. So, which one is right for you? Choose Stock Your Home 9x13 for overall value, Nicole Home Collection for heavy-duty cooking, or Findful if you want plenty of pans with clear lids. Thanks for watching. Follow for more Amazon finds, and check the link in the description.